Cheers, go! 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 Amazing Adventures? Wala pa! I Am Amazing Adventures, go! Go! Oh yeah! Nag-Dubai tayo, nakapag-Taiwan ka na, no? Very first country trip. I went with my family.
Hoy, bakit ba? Ikaw ba yung pamilya niya?
Wala pa nga. I Am Amazing Adventures, go! My
Wait lang, Siargao!
No!
Ay, wait!
Pacific Ocean! Pick up early the next I Am Amazing Adventures, go!
Go, takbo ka na! Sige na! Oh, wag ka na! Sige na!
Okay. Iba ka na!
Sorry.
Mga gamit na to, Ito na. The bottom of my Anik with Edie heart. Wow. Thank you so much. Wow, just hit the 1 minute mark. Okay.
You're gonna vlog kasi. Mag-vlog ka kasi pag
okay.
napunta mong Iceland, so gusto mo ganito yung background. Pwede rin siyang pang-workout na
Contestant! Hi, my name is Maloy and I'm from the land of the universe and I thank you.
Where? Stay there.
Where's your, stay. No. My top two
Fine.
is
Fine.
Maloy! Support, thank you so much. Congratulations.
With what she says and what she does, like her facial expressions, and I wanna and
Oh, may brushes. Oh, brushes.
Ano lang pala.
Ano, wag to. Brushes ng mga to. Pag nagkamay na sabihin. Wala, ang cute naman. Gusto ko. Yung imagination nyo. Huwag kayong manggaya. Nang gagaya ka, bebe.
Ay, sorry.
Blue paint. Pink. Black.
Binabasa.
Black.
What the hell is that?
I'm not gonna see you on the next round.
What's
that? Joke lang.
Just give her a chance. Give her a...
Stop. Draw a face. Draw a face. And then, face lang And then, draw a look. Oh, carnation flower. Any flower. Ay, kuna. Sige, bouquet of flowers na lang sa top. So,
Grabe. Grabe. Ang lapit sa art.
So good, bebe.
Bebe.
Ang ganda. Bebe.
No.
Ayan. And then, of course, after that, lagyan nyo ng katawan.
Katawan! Space! Wala na pa ganun!
Wala na.
Wala ay katawan!
Ano na drama?
hindi ko na
Grabe, tawa!
I would think it is very eventful. Eventful.
Bebe! Where's the face? I think I drew your universe.
Can I see? Can I see? Feel friends. Sinipper mo dapat sa tinga mo. Dapat naka-stapler. Dapat nakaganito to. Wow! Sinapilapin niya. You went to that. Natanggal na siya. Grabe. Sheena! Challenges. Naisip mo ba yun? Na sa tatlong challenges na yun, mananalo ka? Diba? Sa pagiging creative mo, sa pagiging... Kaya Ate Maloy, I know this episode is about you, but I made it about me.